Hey there, this is Diana. Welcome back to my channel. I have a package from 𝒟𝓃. This is the November/December Diva box that was combined. It came in today. Usually I'm not really good with doing unboxing videos the day of, but I just got the mail. It's close to midnight and I'm still going to unbox this for you guys today. All right, look what we have in here today. I have not seen any spoilers, so the only clue they gave us is that it contains a gel product. It contains gel product or a gel product. So that was the clue. I am seeing Acrygel. I really love this product. If you haven't seen my video on how to apply Acrygel, I'll go ahead and link it right up here. But I'm a diehard fan of Acrygel. Then we have full cover tips and they're medium stilettos. I really enjoy the medium length now. I find that the short is a little too short for me. I usually use a praise stiletto short and I find that it's a smidge too short for me. So I'm glad I got the medium stilettos. Perfect. Now let's jump into this package. What do we got here? Hey, what is this? It's called Quick Stick. Soft tip gel. Just a little tip. I just got this out of the mailbox. Like I said, it's almost midnight and I'm like, I remember getting a 𝒟𝓃 package today when I was at work and I don't see it in my nail room, so I rushed out and it was still in the mailbox. So it's like super freezing, but any kind of liquids that you get and they're super cold because we're now approaching winter time, hold it in your hands for a few minutes and warm it up. You'll find that the liquids will perform better when they're more at room temperature. If it's cold, it may affect the performance. So just a quick little tip. Now digging into the colors, we have, let's see, put it in order. We have Diva Dust, Diva Dip 37, 38, and 39. Okay, so let's check out Diva Dust. There's like little wings on it, like fairy dust. Oh yeah, I don't know if my camera catches that iridescent shift in it, but it is just stunning. Diva Dip 37. That's a pretty blue. 38. Oh, another blue. Very pretty. And 39. Yes. These are blue themed dips. This one has some blue flakes in it. Oh, I'm excited to swatch these for you guys. Alright, so stay tuned and I will insert swatches. So I wanted to pop in and show you guys one more thing. As I was removing the cover from the full cover tips, these snowflake stickers, they kind of just fell out. So I wasn't paying attention, but here they are. They are freaking adorable. And it looks like they're embossed. Yeah, these are embossed. You can feel the texture in it. That's pretty. So now I get the theme. The blue snowflakes with the dust. That's really pretty. So let me just, while we're here, open up these tips so you guys can see it. There's numberings at the tip of the nail there, so you can see and size up what fits best for you.